Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, whatever, the shed, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth pickers? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave? I call him TP from Kentucky. Tesla picker. He picking for a Tesla. Yeah, but it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we picking the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just left one of my favorite thrift stores again, and I asked y'all for some information about me carrying a camera in there and stuff so I can show y'all what I get. But today, I walked in the thrift store, and I'm going to show y'all when I get to work. I can't show y'all now. But I found some Viewmasters. I haven't found these in a long time. I found like 3 Viewmasters before, the little film part. And these, I got I probably got about 100 of them or more. And I looked one of them up in the box. And the first one I picked up was worth $17. I paid $20 for this whole box, and it's got the vintage Viewmaster to go with it. So when I get to work, I'm gonna show y'all what's going down. You know what I'm saying? Woo! I keep hitting the jackpot. I don't know what's wrong, but y'all need to help me. I can't pass these thrift stores by. Y'all need to help me. Send me to AAA or something. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I get to work and show y'all what I got. All right, y'all. Peace until later. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? Yeah, I'm back. Y'all. I'm at work now. Now we can talk about what I got. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Look. Hey, I only had this. I've been reselling since 2002. When I started, I was just selling video games back in the day. But I've been reselling since 2002. I guess that's 18 years. I ran across these things probably about 2 times. I think altogether I had like 10 of them in all these years. Damn, my beard jacked. How come y'all ain't tell me that? But anyway, I guess I had about 10 of these items in all these years I've been doing this. And they sold real good. They didn't sell expensive as much they selling for now, but they did sell good. I'm talking about old Viewmasters, viewers from around the world. Okay, I just pulled out a couple of them and I looked up the prices on them, but not a couple, probably about 10 of them. And I looked up the prices on them, so we're finna go over some of this stuff. Okay. I saw a whole lot of Apollo and moon landing stuff in there. And the first ones I pulled out was the space ones. But I'm not gonna show you number one of those. This is the moon landing, Apollo moon landing slides. Viewmaster slides. This is Apollo moon landing. It's open. It's got everything in it. It's complete. This one's selling for $27.99 plus shipping. Now, I forgot to tell you, I paid $20 for all that. $20, you got the original Viewmaster and that and everything. I paid $20 for it. This one right here paid for the whole thing. After I sell this one, all the rest of these are profit. And I counted them, I got 98 of them. 98. Plus I got a whole lot of slides that I ain't looked through yet. So, it's more than just 98. What the hell? What the hell? Anyway, so this one right here, $27. Most of these are $24 and $27. And I got probably 12 of them right here I'm going to show you. Moon landing. Next one is Egypt. This $27. $27. That's how much it's selling for on eBay. If it was sealed, it'd be worth more than that. Next one is the Pan Am 747. This one, $29. Each one of these got three of them round slides in there, and all the paperwork. This next one is Japan, $24.99. $24.99. Next one is Belgium. This one right here is worth $24. If it was sealed, it'd be worth more because it's got a stamp and a coin, the flag in there. This the other side. What the hell? Anyway, it's got a stamp and a coin in there. This $27, $29, $24. Austria, $24, $24.99. And then I looked at all of them, and all of them got shipping paid for. So I'm gonna put shipping paid. I might put mine free shipping though, because it make people buy mine faster. Okay, I might. I don't know. This one is Scenic USA. This $24.99. Paris, $24.99. I ain't even looking this one yet to see if see if it was complete. You know, the sleeve, the little booklet that go in there, stuff like that. It just feel kind of thin. It might not have that booklet in there. The Castles of Europe. What the hell is wrong with that fly? Castles of Europe right here, 24. This 22. Hold on. This $24.99 too. The War Between the States, $24.99. And I got two more. The Conquest of Space. Conquest of Space. This one is $29.95. Okay, when I first saw these, I knew what they were, right? I knew what they were. So I pulled one of them out, and I looked it up in the store. The first one I picked out was this Universal Studios one. This one was $17. So I ain't need to look at nothing else. Plus, I sold them before, but I ain't know whether the price went up or they were still selling the same. It's been years since I had one. And the first one I looked up was $17.99. I said, I'm grabbing these. What the hell? Anyway, so that's $24.99. Then I'm gonna put some in lots because some of them are like Paris Part 1, Paris Part 2, stuff like that. So I'm gonna lot all those up, put them together. The ones that's from the same country or the same cities or whatever. I'm gonna lot them up like an adventure package. Like I got a couple of national park ones in there. I'm gonna put those together. You know, that's a lot. What the hell? Anyway, also, let me show y'all. I got a couple of these. This is what it wants the slides to go in. I got some slides and I got things you look at the slides through. I ain't even look at these. I ain't look at these slides yet. I just opened them up to see what was in there. But see these slides? I got 2 boxes of these slides right here. And they fit into that little thing I just showed you. Let me get one out and show you. Y'all might not understand. I mean, I'm not saying y'all illiterate or nothing. I'm just saying. And also, all of them got, like this one says, Canadian Rockies. And on the back it says something else. Oh, it's got like in French on the back. This, I think that's French because Canadians speak French, I think. But anyway, let's say these the Canadian Rockies, Series 1, number 19. Okay. So what you would do, you'll take this and you will stick it in here. See that? Then you would look through it. Yeah, look at that eagle in the mountains. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that pretty. That pretty. You know, so that's what you would do all day back in the day. You know, it was like TV, a little bit like TV. You know what I'm saying? It ain't, you know, right now it ain't, you know, gonna be like TV. We got all these pictures in our phone. Excuse me. Anyway, I probably got more pictures in my phone right now than all this stuff put together. So anyway, whatever. I'm just saying. Back in the day, this was cold right here. This was the thing. You didn't have one of these in your pocket, you wasn't nothing. You know what I'm saying? If you had one of these in your pocket, boy, you wasn't up with the square. You was a square. You wasn't nobody. I hear y'all laughing, but anyway, whatever. It's funny to me. You know, had a big ass thing in your pocket. Anyway, whatever. All I'm saying is back then, that was your TV. You know what I'm saying? They got the ones with cartoons on them. You got the one, I look at them, you got the one with the Addams Family. It's worth like $500. A one with the monsters. I'm just saying. All mine, I don't have nothing in there but countries, places to visit, stuff like that. I got some Disney. No, I have nothing Disney, but I do have some like Knott's Berry Farm, stuff like that. But anyway, I don't have no stuff that's making a whole lot of money. Else I wouldn't even made this video if I had one that's for $1,000. You think I'd be here talking to you? No, I'm just playing. Yeah, I'd still be talking to you. I'm just joking. But anyway, yeah. So that's all I'm gonna say for today. I keep hitting the jackpot every time I go to these places. The jackpot every single time. Now I've been at work for like probably about 2 hours, 2.5 hours now, looking through this stuff, and excuse me. Anyway, these are the first ones I looked up in all that time, so that's why I read these off first. I think I got some good ones, y'all. But I wonder if I could sell the whole thing. Somebody sold, I want to say it was 96 of them on there with just the 90, and all of them were sealed though. They got $2,400 for it. All of them were sealed though. So that was the problem. These are open. People looked at these, but everything's in there look new. The sleeve never looked like it's never been touched before. So whoever looked at it one time, put it back in the package. But anyway, I'm glad y'all stopped by to look at me. You know what I'm saying? Pass this on to your friends, your buddies, and stuff like this. But y'all start looking for this stuff. You know, I didn't know about this stuff. I would have still passed it up if I wouldn't have sold any before. So, I don't know if I would have passed it up though. So I'm still on the fence about that. But I know what I had when I saw it. So I grabbed it, put it in my cart. I just reached in there, grabbed one out, and looked it up. So I knew what I had. So, I'm sorry. Let me show y'all something else. Also, what was in here? See that? That's the original one of the original Viewmasters. It's a focusing Viewmaster too. And this was in the box. I ain't looked this up yet, but while I was looking through there, it was some selling for $30, $40. But this one right here is heavy duty. You can put it on a tripod. I gotta see if it take a battery. I gotta look it up, see if it take a battery. It's heavy. I think it's probably got a battery in there. And hopefully that battery is not haven't busted and leaked in here. So anyway, original Viewmaster. See that? That's back in the day, boy. I ain't even look to see what year this is. But I never had one of these before. Never. So I just wanted to show y'all that. I almost forgot though. I almost forgot to show y'all this. But anyway, I think today was a good day. One of those Viewmaster reels is gonna pay for this whole thing. Matter of fact, one I'm gonna after I pay for the whole thing, I got $20. No, $20 when they get finished with the fees and stuff. It'll probably be about $19. Probably be about 21, whatever. It'll still pay for this. So, all I got to say, y'all, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs down, I don't care about no whatever. You don't have to do that. Give me some advice on how to take these cameras into the stores. You know, all y'all leaving a comment about how you guys do it. You know what I'm saying? I would like to take you in the stores with me, because when I find this stuff, I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to hear the excitement. So y'all just leave down in the comments what to do and how to do it. Lead me to some videos or whatever. But anyway, I just want to tell y'all that wear that mask. Wear the mask. Quit playing around, y'all. Let's do it. Wear the mask. And just see you later. And anyway, I just want to tell y'all that I'm Kevin from St. Louis. I've been picking since 2002, and I'm still gonna pick the rest of my life. I just want to do this full time. That's what I want to do, but I can't do it right now. But anyway, y'all take it easy. Have a good night, and I just want to say, we pick in the hood too. Woo, woo, yeah. Peace.